Okay, Diego's got foam on his mouth again. Diego, did you eat another frog? There it is. It's not much. Well, you better just drink water. That's it. Enzo. Yeah, it happens once every, let's say, 5 months that Diego gets hold of a frog. And well, he can't eat them because they're not poisonous, but there is something on them that they give off that makes them repel anything. Well, tigers at least. And Diego is something to repel. If you're a frog and you're in his mouth, it's a good thing then. But yeah, then he walks around for a couple of minutes with foam in his mouth. Just met this guy and he's going to cold start his R8 V10. That sounds way different than mine. Well, mine looks a bit different as well, but this sounds really different than mine. Okay, I just bought some things. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what this is all about, and it's quite interesting. I think this is something that everybody should know, and how a car's fuel system works. It's great to know these things, and believe me, if you don't know this, you might just be impressed how much effort really goes into getting one of these cars to actually go. Well, the grapes just got new leaves. Just check this out. I was actually worried about the grapes, and it had some brown leaves, and like those over there, went to Cape Town, saw it right there where they've got, well, a wine farm, and they look the same. Got back home, they didn't look that great, and just now I saw it and it is absolutely looking great. Just look at that. Katja, can you believe it? Well, I can believe that Diego is still sleeping over there. Enzo, well, there he is, right there in the bushes. Okay, great day, a lot of stuff to do. Everything is turning green real quick now, and it looks amazing. I missed this a lot. Even though it's just for 2 or 3 months, you tend to miss it a lot. You need nature. It's supposed to be there. It is where we are. So if it's gone, we're basically nowhere. Yeah, okay, let me get started with this day. Got stuff to do. And the cats are playing in the box. They really enjoy it. Little Madison, she is just hanging out here with the rest of the monkeys. And it's spoil sport. Yeah, MacGyver's new name. Oh, there she's on me now. And on. Oops, tried to jump, but her leash is tied around my neck. Death by monkey. MacGyver is just gonna wash his face quickly, cleaning his nose. Yep, he's clean. Little Madison, she's just climbing around here. All the dogs checking her out. Well, monkeys are just hanging around. Little Lexi is right here in her little bed, hanging out with the dogs. Yeah, the tigers are up, and I have to go and close up for them so we can clean their enclosure. Okay, they're gonna make a noise now, but Let me see if I can get them both on this side. Close them up quickly. And we can go clean up their enclosure. Diego. Hello, Diego. Oh, nice scratch on the head. Yeah, I guess you can say the Tigers has got a cage here where they keep their cats. Yeah, Katas is on the other side in the cage. And there's Sissy as well. Luckily here on this side. Well, everything is just great. But on that side, well, that's the cat cage. And they also keep humans on that side. They don't want them to roam around here all the time. I mean, this is for tigers. So, the tigers got their own cat and human cage right here. Hey, it's a good cage. Just look at this, it's quite high. Yeah, it'll keep the cats and the humans on that side. And the dogs. Well, unless the dogs just quickly came in while we're checking the cat and human and dog cage. Yeah. Can you believe it? Diego. Okay, I'm going to open up for the dogs. They're going to be running on the other side. And they always enjoy it. But I hope they all go through this time. Sometimes some of them don't want to. And then they stay behind. But let's see. Right. There they go. Enzo. Yeah, it's always funny to see them do that. In a matter of a second, they are on this side. Okay, Zach and Sachis, they want to spend time here as well, but yeah, unfortunately, it's only Bino that is a problem for them. But when he goes to the other side, I guess I can quickly let Zach and Sachis come here. Right, cleaning this place up. I don't want to change the water yet. Actually, I want to, I just don't need to yet. The water is clean enough. But I'm thinking this is our last cold month. And if I change it now, that time is just going to be added to the new water. But in 2 months' time, if I change this water, I have to change it every 2 to 3 weeks. Well, I'll decide. But now, Enzo and Diego is just added there, so you just tell them to Enzo, Diego. Okay, here comes Enzo. Right, let's get this place cleaned up. Oh, those dogs. They have 3 minutes and they're already going crazy. Let me just go and sort them out. Because they're playing ball here. Arthur. They're in so good condition. Just look at this. But he's a little angry at the moment. But they don't know. If they fight, well, it's going to be a matter of 1 second and they're going to be in the pool. And then they will stop. But in any case, hoping to change this water. Maybe even still today. But it takes a whole 2 days for it to run in. And it irritates the tigers a little. But what can we say? Those are just things that the tigers will have to take in order to have a sparkling blue swimming pool again. Yeah, a lot of things to do. Zach and Sachis now over there. Yeah. They just don't stop ever. Well, Zach and Sachis sure loves coming to this side, but just look at the monkeys. They just thinking that they are strangers. Of course, they don't really come this side much, but they get their chance to come and run around every time the other dogs go to that side. So, yeah, these dogs cats and monkeys, they all use the whole place. It's just they use it at different times. So it's not like if you divide a property for each animal, they only use, well, a 50th of that property if you've got 50 pets. It's a question of they all use the whole place, they just use it in different ways. Now the monkeys don't really go into the tiger's enclosure and the tigers don't go into the monkey's enclosure, but at least you can find the average of, let's say, a 25th of the property are being used by, well, just about all of them. This bush is amazing, and it's early, really early summer this year. Diego. Just look at those big face. He didn't let me open up his lip to show you guys his teeth, but that's a dangerous thing to do. I used to always put my arm in his mouth and he can chew on my arm, and he used to do it really gentle, like Ozzy used to do. But I haven't done it for a while, and you get to a point where you say to yourself, well, should I just stop? Maybe it's better. He's so friendly with the dogs. He recognizes that these are different dogs now, but he knows them from the other side. Almost like going to the bar and meeting your friends from the gym there. Is that what it's like, Diego? Yeah, okay. Let me get cleaning. Don't want to keep the boys here too long. They don't mind. They can just take a nap, but we'd like to carry on with other stuff as well. Okay, it's cleaned outside by the tigers. Now opening up for the dogs, creating a stampede. Let me just unlock it first. Right, there they go. Enzo. And they're all back. Well, how do you control 10 or 12 dogs? Well, in 1 second. That's how you do it. Okay, it's clean. This whole place is fine again for at least a week. The water is still clean enough. I don't want to change it just because. It's no problem. I can take it out. But there is water shortages and stuff, so I try and prolong the water as long as I can. But this is still clean. But we're going to take it out on Friday. So, yeah. Walking through quickly, making sure everything is fine. And, yeah, let me open up for the boys. Enzo, Diego. Right. Diego, what do you think about the place? Okay, and? Alright. He said we might have to add a slide. While Diego is just checking for anything that could be new in there. There's nothing new, Diego. He's probably going to show us his teeth right now in 3, 2, 1. Oh, just about. He's just checking. He is sure to find something new. Enzo. Diego. Diego, show us your teeth. They're hearing someone in the street. They're just checking him out. Okay, it's time to take the motor back out again. I've got most of my sizes of everything that I need to make and change. And yeah, the next time it goes in, it stays in. So, taking it out, and I'll be making those modifications and finishing the job soon. Okay, it took a good hour to get it out, but it wasn't installed all the way. I mean, like the starter and the CVs and things and the gearbox selectors and stuff wasn't connected on, so it is quick. But now it's high again. But now I will be finishing it up and installing it pretty soon. Yeah, maybe this should be the next project I take on. It will be nice to fly it. That's the screen from Smarty Pants to tell me that it is eating time. Yeah, he's so excited about meat. He just wants to eat meat. He does not want to eat the cat food anymore. Well, I guess he might be a tiger, a different kind. He's just a little small still. But yeah, it's still Christmas, so anything can be possible. Right, Bucky's here as well. Don't touch him. He's one of those cats who does not like to be touched. And there is Computer Cat over there. But where's the tigers? Let's go see. There goes Enzo. Enzo, are you ready to eat? Well, Smarty Pants is. Let me get it. Okay, the perfect way to round off this day. Feeding the tigers. And Smarty Pants, of course. Alright, let's get going. Enzo, here's the first one. Perfect, Enzo. He sure can jump. Diego, he sure can wait. There, he's done waiting. Okay, who's next? I think little Smarty Pants. Yeah, now I've got one hand again, and I have to remember to bring a scissor. But the thing is, then I'm going to have to do it all the time. Then they will be spoiled. And I would have to spend so much time feeding them. It's just a little difficult. But here they are all, and even Factory Cat. Or loudest cat in the world. Okay, they can help themselves there. Bucky's here as well. Strange how he's turned out. There's nothing wrong with him or anything, he's just strange. And he does not like any interaction whatsoever. So, let's test little Factory Cat. No, not a meat eater at all. A vegetarian cat. They are becoming more and more. Okay, there's for all of them. Cutest cat in the world. Right, next one for Enzo. And they've been in the pool. They really enjoy the water. There you go, Enzo. Another one for Diego. And he gets a little fright. So funny to see such a strong big animal also just getting a little fright. Well, if a chicken dropped out of the sky and landed right next to you, I guess, well, you won't be as glad as a tiger, but you might just get a fright. A fright. Diego. Here's another one. Oh, come on, Diego. Just now you got a fright from a little chicken. Now you want to do that. I'm not falling for it. Oh. Now if I laugh, he will be really mad. Because you don't laugh at a tiger when he get the hiccups. Right, back to Enzo. Crows. And there's a whole lot of them. They must have seen that plane. Okay, Smarty Pants, come and eat. He's such a tiny little cat. But he eats and then he's done. So quick. Let me just give him a little more. Yeah, now he eats. He's just lazy. Lazy little Smarty Pants. Now they're all standing waiting for me to give them the food. Just goes to show how quickly they realize, okay, we got someone working for us. Okay, Puck. Even you, who don't even want me to stand within a meter of him. Oops. I just saw little Saggies get a sting or something from something over here. What was that, Saggies? Not sure what it was. But there was something over here. I'll check him in a minute. Let's see your nose. No, he's fine. He smelled something there and then he just got him on the nose. Well, I'll have to find out what that was. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And like always, have a great day.